What's up YouTube? This is Joel Shields with Shields Automotive. This is my first video of hopefully many. I don't know how consistent I'll be, but I'll do my best. Today I'm talking about something I found on the internet, and I'm testing it out and letting y'all know if it actually works. Me, I like to do a lot of electrical work, and anything that makes that easier is a plus. I like it, but I don't like it to be difficult. What I'm showing you today is this neat little stuff I found. It's heat shrink with solder already in it. Now they say you heat it up with a heat gun, don't stay in one place for more than a couple seconds, but you just heat it evenly, and eventually the solder will melt. Now, solder normally melts around, I think, 400 degrees or something like that. So, I don't know how well this will work, but I'm going to give it a try and I'll let y'all know. Here we have two different wires of two different colors, so you know I ain't playing a game. Here, I had to choose a different one to fit the wires. But you put them inside here, and you meet the two connections in the middle where the solder's at. You take your heat gun. I got one from O'Reilly's. Nice, I got a high-low setting on it. I'm going to use the low setting for now. Turn that around so y'all can see it. Wow, the solder's melting. Pull it away, let it cool. Stuff's pretty sticky. I guess that's pretty good for a watertight fit. Alright, still a little warm. I'm going to let it cool down fully before I try stress testing it. Alright, I think it's cool enough. Let's see if it breaks at the solder or at the wire or somewhere else. It broke somewhere else, not at the solder joint. I say this stuff works. I'm impressed. And I endorse this stuff, I would say. Tell me what you think. Drop comments. Like my video. Subscribe to me.